Have you ever watched a YouTube video and thought, wow, I wish I could read the full transcript or translate this into my own language? Well, guess what? You can. And not only is it easy, but it takes less than 30 seconds if you know where to click. Today, I'll show you exactly how to get a transcript of any YouTube video and change the subtitles to almost any language instantly. No paid tools, no extensions, just more tricks built right into YouTube. And yes, we'll also cover how to download and translate those transcripts for offline use or sharing. Let's start with the built-in YouTube method. So simple, most people don't even know it exists. Step 1. Open any YouTube video on desktop. Now, look right below the video where it says Save. Click the 3 dots next to it. Boom! There it is. Show Transcript. Click that and a new panel will appear on the right with every spoken word in the video line by line. You can even toggle the timestamps on or off. If the uploader enabled captions or YouTube auto-generated them, you are good to go. That means interviews, tutorials, lectures, basically anything with spoken audio can now be scanned, copied, or downloaded. But here's where it gets even cooler. You can change the language of the transcript in real time. Yes, you can auto-translate YouTube subtitles without leaving the site. Just click the gear icon on the video player, then go to Subtitles, Auto-Translate, and pick your preferred language. Bang! Instant translation into Spanish, French, Hindi, Arabic, almost any major language. Is it perfect? Not always, but for most videos, it's shockingly accurate, especially if the speaker has a clear voice and a good audio quality. But what if the video doesn't show the transcript option? That means captions aren't missing or turned off by the creator. Don't worry, we have got a workaround. There are free tools that let you extract transcript from any YouTube link, even if the Show Transcript button is hidden. Try YouTubeTranscript.com. Just paste the link and hit enter. Or go a step further with DownSub or Transcribe Video, which let you download subtitles in different formats and even different languages. Want more control? Try uploading the transcript into Google Translate or DeepL for deeper, more context-aware translations. You can format everything in Google Docs and even print it as a study guide or language learning tool. This is gold for students, teachers, researchers, and content creators who want to repurpose spoken content into text. And let's be honest, sometimes you just don't want to listen to a 30-minute video. Skimming a transcript can save you tons of time. Fun fact, over 80% of YouTube users watch videos with subtitles turned on, even when it's in their own language. Now you know why transcripts matter so much. They're not just for accessibility, they're for productivity, SEO, learning, and global reach. Imagine downloading an English transcript, translating it to Japanese and turning it into a blog, or using a translated transcript as a voice-over script in a different language. With just a few clicks, you've turned a YouTube video into a multilingual content machine. And here's the best part, all of this is 100% free. So next time you want to study, translate, code, or repurpose a YouTube video, now you know exactly what to do.